डंडावत बंदन अनकबार सर्वकला समरथ डोलन तेरा खो प्रभु नानक दे कर हाथ तेरे जोर मैं गुंगा कहता हूँ तेरा सदका तेरी शरण धन साहिब श्री गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी दी गुरु खालसा साध संगत साहिब जीओ वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. We're blessed again to be gathered together, and especially today on such a special day, the day of Vaisakhi, when Sahib Sri Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji brought forth the Khalsa. Khalsa, Akal Purkh ki Fauj. The Khalsa is the army of Akal Purkh Vaheguru. Pargateo Khalsa, Parmatam ki Mauj. They came forth because it was the hukam of Akal Purkh Vaheguru themselves. Sahib Sri Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji, the 10th form of Vaheguru on this earth, the 10th form of Guru Nanak Dev Sahib Ji, took the heads of the Panj Pyare and then brought them back to life by giving them Khande Bate da Amrit. And they came back, became immortal, and they became the Guru Khalsa, and that is how the Khalsa was brought forth. Today is also the changing of the month. Today is Sangrand. It's a new month. Today is the second month of the Sikh calendar. The first month was Chet. Today is Vaisakh. Vaisakhi, the second month. And Sri Guru Arjan Dev Sahib Ji and Sri Guru Nanak Dev Sahib Ji in their Banis have given us teachings for the changing of this month of Vaisakh. Sri Guru Arjan Dev Sahib Ji teaches, Vaisakh Tiran kyo vadiya, Jinna Prem Bishoh. Vaisakh is obviously the month. Tiran means in Tiraj. And in English, that is sometimes translated to patience. But Tiraj actually means a calmness, peace with oneself. And Vadiya means separation. So which separation is Guru Arjan Dev Sahib Ji talking about? They're talking about the separation of the soul brides from their husband Lord Vaheguru. We are soul brides and Akal Purkh Vaheguru is our husband Lord. How can the soul brides have peace with themselves, Tiran, when they are separated, Vadiya, from their husband Lord Akal Purkh Vaheguru? They're separated from the experience with their husband Lord, where Vaheguru, Sakhyat, the experience of Akal Purkh Vaheguru, who is a witness to all their actions, where Vaheguru Sakhi Roop Hoke, a witness to all their actions in this month of Vaisakhi. So the first part of that Pankti, how can the soul brides have peace with themselves when they are separated from the experience of their husband Lord Akal Purkh Vaheguru, who is a witness to all their actions, because Vaheguru exists within us in this month of Vaisakhi. What is the reason for that? Why are they separated? Jinna Prem Bishoh. Those who have lost the love, Bishoh, lost. Prem obviously means love. Those who have lost the love of Akal Purkh Vaheguru obviously have no peace because they are separated from that experience. That is the teaching Guru Arjan Dev Sahib Ji is giving us. So what we've got to understand is, how can we find that peace? We must therefore then develop love. How do we develop love for Vaheguru? Because by love is how we reach Vaheguru. Jin prem kiyo, ten hi prabh payo. We only find Prabhu Vaheguru when we have love for Akal Purkh Vaheguru. But how do we develop love? The form of love, the first action of love is sacrifice. Jao to prem khalan ka chao, ser tar tali gali meri aao. If you want to play the game of love, put your head on the palm of your hand and walk on my path. That was a teaching Guru Nanak Dev Sahib Ji gave to Bhai Lehna Ji, who became Guru Angad Dev Sahib Ji, the first Guru to the second Guru. So to play the game of love, we must make a sacrifice. That is the first action. And that is actually the teaching we get in this month of Vaisakhi. Because when Sri Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji asked for the head of a Sikh, nobody stood up. Sikhs got worried. First of all, Bhai Daya Ram Ji stood up. And they came forth, their head was taken off. And one by one, the Panj Pyare came. Bhai Daya Ram obviously became Pyare Bhai Daya Singh. And then Pyare Bhai Dharam Singh Ji, Pyare Bhai Himmat Singh Ji, Pyare Bhai Mohkam Singh Ji, and Pyare Bhai Sahib Singh Ji. One by one they came up, their head was taken off, and then Guru Sahib Ji came back out each time. And what happened then? Because many Sikhs were worried, many Sikhs making complaints that what has happened to Guru Sahib Ji? They're cutting the heads of their Gursikhs. But Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji was bringing forth the Khalsa. The Khalsa was going to show love through their sacrifice to Guruji, and at the same time, if we do that, Guruji shows love back, and Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji did show that love back to the Khalsa by showing their sacrifice. So Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji got a Khande Bate da Amrit was made, and that was made in an iron bata. A Khanda was used, made by iron. And then within that bata, that bowl if you will, water was poured. Mata Ji, our mother, placed the patase, the sweetness, and Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji back and forth mixed the patase within the water and also read Gurbani, and that prepared the Amrit. Japji Sahib was read, Jap Sahib was read, Twai Prasad Savaiye was read, Sri Chaupai Sahib was read, and Sri Anand Sahib, the complete Anand Sahib, was read also. The 5 Baniya, 2 Baniya from Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, 3 Baniya from Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji's Bani in Dasam Granth, and together, barabar hoke, Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji read them, and then Khande Bate da Amrit was prepared. They placed 5 mouthfuls in each Panj Pyare's mouth, and each time Bol Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh, and each time the Panj Pyare replied Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Then 5 times within the eyes, both eyes, Bol Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh, Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh was the reply, and then 5 times in the case of the Panj Pyare, Bol Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh, and the reply each time for 5 times was Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. So even though their heads were taken off, they had been killed, but they came back to life, they were brought forth as the Khalsa. So each Panj Pyare got 5 times each, then to the next Panj Pyare sang, and each time each was brought back to life because they were given Khande Bate da Amrit. Amrit, they were given immortality. Amrit, Mrit means death, Amrit means no death or immortality. And this Amrit, this Khande Bate da Amrit made with a Khanda and Gurbani, that is what gave them immortality. They showed true love by giving their sacrifice. And Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji asked for Amrit themselves. And the Panj Pyare said, we've given our heads, what will you give? Sri Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji said, I've already given my father, who they sacrificed when the Kashmiri Pandits came and said we need a spiritual person to stop all the oppression within India. They have already been sacrificed, they are shaheed. I will give my mother Mata Gujri Ji, and I will also give my Sahibzade, my 4 children. Mata Gujri Ji with the Chote Sahibzade. Chote Sahibzade were bricked alive, and Mata Gujri Ji on Thanda Burj left this world. The 2 elders fought in Chamkaur the Jang in front of the eyes of Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji and gave their shahidiyan there. So they showed their love back to the Khalsa. So when we show love to our Guru, Guru Sahib Ji shows love back to us because they are our father. They are also our husband, Lord, as we are their soul brides. They show their love back to us, just like they showed the Khalsa their love back by giving their sacrifice. Sarban Swarta, they sacrificed everything for all of Sikhi, for all of humanity, for all of their creation, for the Khalsa, Sri Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji. So in this month of Vaisakhi, we must develop love. The practical way is by making a sacrifice. So if we cannot take Amrit yet, that is the ultimate step. And if we cannot take that, let us make changes. Let us try to keep our case. Let us learn part. Let us try to do more Simran. That is the first steps. But if we're already Amritari, maybe we want to be increasing our part, increasing our seva, increasing our discipline. So more love we show through sacrifice, the more love we'll get back from our father, Sri Guru Gobind Singh Sahib Ji. Vaisakh Tiran kyo vaddiya, jinna prem bishoho. But those who have lost the love, how will they find peace? Because they are separated from the husband Lord, Akal Purkh Waheguru, who is a witness to their actions. They are separated from the great blessings and experience they get in this month of Vaisakhi. So we want to have that peace, so we should always show that love. Let us hope and pray Guru Sahib Ji blesses us with that opportunity to make a sacrifice and make those steps of showing love, so we can get that love back from our Guru. Deho sajjan asisidiyan Jehovah Sahib chume lekha kata na chutiya khin khin pulanhar baksanhar baksla nanak par utar Waheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji ki Fateh.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to see more of our content. This year marks the 400th year of Dad Purab of Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji, so subscribe to see more content related to this.